Okay, so we're back. This is part 2 of how to make a newspaper. So I am going to put, last time I was talking about if there's a spoiler alert, put spoiler alert here and just go ahead and do that. That's highlighted. So now that we have that, let me show you the other way that we do the newspaper thing, meaning the content. So you want to go ahead, paste back all your text first. Yep. This looks slightly weird. 1 minute. Okay, you know what? Instead of doing that, what I'll do is I'll go back to another article, I guess you could call it. Copy it. Make sure you have editing access if other people are working. This is like a important thing. So you want to make the title slightly bigger if you could. And then Rabbits Escape Zoo. Written by F.P. Appleman, which is me. And then what you want to do is you want to add in your picture, insert, image. Try choosing a different picture from a thumbnail. If you could, put rabbits. I'm going to just choose your own pictures again. I'm going to do that. That's a cute rabbit. We're going to make that way smaller. Now we don't want it to wrap text just yet because we're going to be making this into columns. Format, columns, more options. You can do 2 columns. I think I'll do that. And make it like that. You can do that. You can make the picture bigger, smaller, whatever you need to do with it. And ta-da. Okay, I just pasted in too much. So yeah, you can do that. And then once again, go back up here. And then if it's not the right page, go ahead, make it page 3. And then what I'm going to show you next, Control V. Okay, I've got some text right here. Let's actually delete some of this. I know this is going to be a bit too much. Okay. So we've only got some text. It's a short article. So short article. Again, put the author. You can insert just image, but not all articles need an image, even though readers like to see images. So you go to format, columns, not columns. 3. That wasn't supposed to happen. Right, so what you want to do actually is format columns 3 and then since, oh no, we don't have enough text, right? So we can put another article. We can put the image here. We can go to insert horizontal line. Go ahead, put Control B, title, Control I, Control the author, and then paste in the rest of your text. You can keep doing that. Of course, I added in too much text. And that is how to make a newspaper. If you need anything else, how to make a nice cover on Docs, I can do that too if you're going to write a book. And thank you for watching.